get your coffees, Task8. It's a lengthy one. Oh my God, I don't have my coffee. I'm running out of coffee, but I will make Task8, take a break, and come back to Task9. So Task8 is going to be using roles that we installed using Ansible Galaxy. Okay, it's a lengthy one, but you can you see nothing. I believe nothing depends on this. So this one depends on the Galaxy stuff, but no task depends on this one. So if you feel that it's better, just leave this for last, so you can just get the easy, quote unquote, easy stuff out of the way, right? All right. I just noticed I don't have any background light. It made zero difference. Okay. Use roles that are in Ansible Galaxy. Fun, right? Lots of fun. Create your playbook called home devops ansible deploy edge proxy.yaml. Okay, you will get there in a second. My phone is about to explode, so you can read along. Again, I don't make much cuts in these videos. So the role to configure load balancer web server requests between host and web server host. No shit. I don't have Bluetooth enabled. Okay, I can enable it. Welcome to, when you browse, you can see server B and IP address and see server C and IP address. All right. Do I need to restart the app to get things going? Come on. And the playbook contains a play that runs on web server's host group and uses the PHP info role. Browsing. Let me get this going. I forget. I like to have some. Okay, there we go. Much better. Some light behind me. Yeah, so on the PHP side, you hello PHP word from server B and various details of the configuration. Okay, so you should see something. You need to see the welcome stuff and also the PHP version that is installed. It's a lengthy one, so the playbook has to runs a balancer host group and balancer role. This role configure web server balancer and request between host and web server host. No shit. Browsing to the host balancer group, 8080, then it should give the output below. Welcome to an IP, and also welcome to the PHP FKDN and the information about the PHP install. Cool. Fun. Let's use the most obvious skeleton of the rules we have available and adjust IPs to your scenario, exam, or prep. So the IPs, the host names are going to be that matter to me. You should adjust that to the ones that matter to you. So first, let's go there. Not this one there. So I have this, of course, I have this already set up for the most part, so we don't have to go through this. Okay, so let's do VIM, etc DevOps, etc DevOps. What do I want to do? Oh, I want to see the main one. Okay. So this is going to be the main YAML file, deploy the proxy role and the PHP info role. First is going to be run in the balancer, like the requirements of the question, and the other one are going to be run in the host, like the requirements of the answer. One is going to be using the role balancer. The other one is going to be using the role PHP info. So this is kind of the main playbook. Not that different from the previous task we did. This is task what? I forgot already. 8 or something. The previous task about creating a custom role. So this is the main file, which is fine. Okay. Then you will just go to the roles that Galaxy installed. Balancer, vars, main.yaml. Okay. And this is going to, you can adapt this to your needs, but this is something, works for me. And use your own IP addresses and host names on the exam. So port is 8080, like the requirements on the question, on the task. The firewall zone we're going to be used is going to be the public zone. Service is HTTP. Source, it's the 11190. This is my server A. That on the requirements they said somewhere that if you browse server A, if you browse server A, you get load balanced through to the other two. So this is the IP address of my server A. Adjust this to the ones you have in your lab or throughout the exam questions. So these are the two ones you're going to load balance, and the ports on the so internally it's port 80, and we'll be connecting to port 8080, and you're going to open up a firewall rule on the public zone. Service is HTTP, and my server A 80.192.168.119.10. This is my server A. Use your server A or whatever server you specify throughout the exam. Cool. So this is the vars. Now, if this is important, if you are having issues with firewall rules, if you see that the firewall rules are not getting applied correctly, go to this file there and comment out services blah blah blah. Okay, do you have a line there? Do I have the file, or do I have my role has this file? I don't think, no, I don't have this file in my role. It's slightly different, but you just go there and you see service. It's only line that says service blah blah blah. Comment it out. Now it shows service blah blah blah, and I got, because that file, it's there for multiple purposes, and it can hinder your correct operation of your Galaxy role. Okay, so comment it out and try again, or comment it out from the get-go and avoid problems. It's fine. Then we need to build the Jinja. Okay, so let's check the Jinja. Roles, PHP info, templates, and the hello for the PHP. So this is what you need to do. So PHP echo web message from Ansible FKDN, and this is going to give you the full PHP info. Okay. You will see where this is getting pulled, the web message and Ansible FKDN. You'll see where these things are getting pulled from. You'll see it in a second. Cool. Cool. Now the Jinja for HTML, it's not PHP info, it's balancer, templates, index. This is the template for Jinja. It's similar to the custom Apache role. Welcome to similar or the exact same thing. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. I am right. And there we go. And where is this is going to pull from the Galaxy role. It's going to have there, so you don't need to change it. So that your Galaxy role will have that already set up for you. Then you just need to, let me review, and the Jinja and Jinja time, and then you just run the first playbook we did, which was this guy here. This is going to apply everything else, and it's going to apply all the things you need. It's going to apply the both roles, the balancer and the PHP info, and you should be good to go. And just run this playbook, and things are just going to be up and running. All the variables are set, and we are good to go. Yeah, that's Task8. This is going to be, it seems to be quick because I already did all the work for you. But just take your time, run the playbook. So just do Ansible playbook deploy. You run it, it will install it, and you should be a-okay. Woo-wee! Task8, it's done. Review this video as many times you want. Task 9 is next. God damn it. I love you guys. I'll do this just because I do all of this just because I really love you guys and love my community. Like, subscribe, comment, it helps, and I'll see you in the next one.